friends, my name is Lavish Chopra. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we will do new experiment which is water fireworks. For that we will use cups, and sticks, measuring cylinder. Materials from kit: food color, materials from home: tall glass, cooking baby oil, water. Let's start our experiment. Pour 10 ml oil in a cup. In the second step, add 3-4 drops of any food color. You can use 2 or 3 colors as well and mix using the stirring stick. One, 2, 3, 4. फ्रेंड्स अब ये हमें ब्लू कलर की डालना है. One, 2, 3, 4. फ्रेंड्स अभी हमें येलो कलर डालना है. In the third step, fill a tall glass with water, leaving a little space at the top. Then slowly pour the oil and the color mixture into the tall glass. Observe the water in the glass. The food colors will start to slowly fall down into the water like fireworks. The oil layer prevents the colors from mixing with water all at once. This is because oil and water do not mix. Bye bye friends. Hope you liked it. Next time we will meet with another experiment. Thank